Hi, everyone. Welcome to our productivity crash course of project management strategies for leaders. I'd like to welcome back Helene Segura, who did a beautiful job of talking to us about time management last month, and we're excited to have her back to talk about project management.
At the most basic level, you can say that project management first starts with ideas. Then it moves on to the second component, which is planning. Once you've done the planning, then you're doing two components simultaneously, and that is implementing and also communicating. That is a lot of information about scope, but I wanted to make sure that I covered all of these areas, because if you do not have a scope, then your project is not going to go according to plan. And your project is going to drag out, probably go over budget. So that's why it's extremely important that you understand how crucial each one of these steps is. So to pause here, to allow you to capture some thoughts, this is what I'd like you to do. I'm going to turn off my mic for about 2 minutes, because I want you to ask yourself these questions. Number one, who should you gather to either create the scope for your next project, or if you're currently working on a project, who should you gather to revisit the scope? If you realize, oops, we left out a few components, we really need to take another look at it. And at the same time, if you have ideas in your head running through as I'm talking about this, realizing, oh, you know what, I need to make sure I address XYZ in our current project or XYZ in our future project, I want you to jot down those thoughts now while they're fresh in your head. So I'll give you about 2 minutes to capture those thoughts.